Hi everybody, hallihallo. Today it's all about Dak-galbi. Dak-galbi is a stir-fried chicken dish with different kinds of vegetable. And you can see it is stir-fried in a gochujang sauce, which is a red chili paste. It doesn't have to be spicy, so here in this restaurant we can choose between 4 different levels of spice, and I chose the first one, so not too spicy. In some restaurants, if you cannot eat any spices, you can also have a Dakgalbi based on soy sauce.
닭갈비랑 조리돼서 나온 거랑 바로 드셔보세요.
감사합니다. Eat the Dak-galbi right in front of you, so you have this pan and you always have warm food. The chicken is stir-fried with different kinds of vegetables like cabbage, scallions, or onions, and also sweet potatoes and the Korean rice cake, which is called dog. And if you want some more dishes like extra noodles or some cheese topping, you can just add it into your menu and you have various food. So you can eat the chicken just like this, or you make a dam, which is a kind of wrap. You take 1 leaf radish, chicken inside, wrap it like this, and eat it. The vegetables are soaking all the sauce, so it's really tasty. So this one is not that spicy, but if you like spicy food, you should totally order the extra spicy, which is as spicy as 불닭볶음, you know?
About the name, tak means chicken and galbi means rib, but it's not a chicken rib. In older times, pork ribs were too expensive, so the people just started selling the grilled chicken pieces and called it dak-galbi.
Safe is safe. So we finished almost the whole chicken, but to complete the Dak-galbi dish, you have to order some fried rice. 주문이요? 띵동 없어? 아, 띵동 있네. 띵동. So this is the fried rice, and I added some cheese to one of the half. The best way to complete your Dak-galbi. Wow. Dak-galbi is very famous in Chuncheon City, which is in the Gangwon-do province in the eastern part of Korea. And I'm here today at Hongdae district at Mi-kyeong Dakgalbi. If you want to make Dak-galbi at home, it's not too difficult, so I will put the link to a recipe down in this video description. 맛있게 드세요. 너무 바보 같은데?